Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hisense U3120G soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this soundbar not connecting to Wi-Fi or not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if it's not working, you're not getting the proper sound out of it, issues like that can very often be resolved with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because the pairing and everything connection history will be wiped off. But if that's something, that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this soundbar up on a new TV or in a new system, or just whatever situation where you just want to get it fresh like it's coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really simply. We need to have power to it and in the OPT mode. And we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the standby button for 5 seconds. So just press and hold it for 5 seconds, and up on the little display screen, it will actually show reset. And then the soundbar will go idle for a couple of seconds, and then it will be reset to its factory default settings.